Welcome to Adhyan Shala. Myself, CM Narula, is attached with the students of Niwadi since 2005. The tiny students whom I have taught in class 3rd or 4th, they are in graduate nowadays. And I congratulate Independence Day to all of you. Today is 15th August, as you know, and I congratulate all of you celebrating 74th Independence Day. Myself is an English teacher, and I suggest all the students of English medium to understand the need and importance of English, because it is necessary to have command on the language on which you study through the medium of your study. The students are studying in English medium, they must have command on English. Unless you have command on English, you only recite as the kids of nursery and LKG, they recite Jack and Jill went up the hill, their rhymes. When you have to appear in the exam, you recite your answer and write them. What is the result? What you get the result? That half of the words you recited, they vanished from your memory, and you are unable to express the full answer of your question. So, according to me, each and every student must have command on the language which is his medium of study. If you study Hindi medium, you must have command on Hindi. If you study in English medium, you must have command on English. Why the trend has become of English medium student and trend has become English medium schools? Because English is the need of today. Even in India, I think, except North India, more than half of India are not Hindi speaking people. If you go not even to abroad, if you go to South India, all the 4 states, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka and Kerala, you have to speak English if you don't know their regional language. So, and the books of higher studies you won't get as good as in English, in other language. You have to follow English because your medium of study English. And I must tell you, to pick up and have a command on English, you must have its grammar. There are 3 factors to have command on English. You must have command on its grammar, you must increase your vocabulary, and you must have be capable of composing your own sentences, how to compose. So grammar and composition is essential to pick up a language. If you study in English medium, if you it's rather difficult to follow the language. Instead of reciting, what you do, you recite the words, and in exam you cannot express what you have studied in your medium of study, which is English. So what I mean to say, you must improve your English. And English, to pick up any language, whether it is Hindi, Sanskrit, English, you know that up till 8th class in all of India, you have to study 3 languages, because as per our constitution, tri-language formula is essential for each and every educational institution. Even in Madhya Pradesh, the students have to study Sanskrit also. So what I mean to say, to have command, to have command on Sanskrit, or to have command on English, to have command on Hindi, you must be efficient in grammar and composition. If you are failure to compose your own sentences, you recite bookish language, and when you write in exam, there are many errors. You forget to insert objects, you forget to insert verbs, you forget to insert appropriate preposition, so you won't get good marks. And this is the reason the students don't get good marks in English medium, who are not competent to write in English properly, don't have command on English. So it is my suggestion to improve your grammar, to pick up your English. And one thing I must tell you, if you want to speak English fluently, you must have practice, you must increase your vocabulary. Daily, what new words you find of English, you insert in your memory, you insert in your grammar. So similarly, as you have command in Hindi, you will be able to speak, read and write English. So I shall give you another lecture tomorrow or day after, but this is my suggestion from today. See, it's never too late. If you want to improve your English, you start from today. Why I am suggesting to improve your English? If you are studying in English medium, so that is necessary to improve your English, because the medium, you study physics in English, you study chemistry in English, you study social studies in English. So whatever are your subjects that are in English medium, and if you are incompetent to follow English words, so what would you do? As I gave the example, you will recite as kiddies recite their poems, their rhymes, and they can't express them. What is the meaning? What is the explanation of those para? Sometimes the students are not competent in English and they are studying English. What happens if you use any guide or any notebook? There are suppose there are some misprintings, but you don't have knowledge to conclude whether these words are right or wrong, because your English is not up to the level. So it is my suggestion, all of the students, you must improve your language. I am not insisting you to improve English. I am insisting you to improve that language which is your medium of study. If your medium of study is English, you must have command on English. Then you can express better better words, you can compose good sentences, and that impression will be on your teachers, on examiners, and they will give you as many as marks. That's all.